What's up everybody, this is Scott. Welcome back to another video. It has been a while since I put out some content. It's just been really busy, to be completely honest, but I wanted to make a video specifically talking about the rumored Pixel Buds 3. Now, a few weeks ago, John Prosser actually tweeted out this particular tweet that you can see on screen right now, and he just kind of casually mentioned the information about the Pixel 5a. No, I still don't have that device at all yet. But he also just happened to drop the Pixel Buds 3 coming out in mid-April. I was pretty surprised about the fact that the Pixel Buds were getting a refresh, even though the Pixel Buds 2, which I really love, have only been out about a year. I didn't expect to see a Pixel Buds 3 out so early, and Prosser actually has a pretty good reputation when it comes to the accuracy about his leaks, so I have no reason to doubt what he's talking about. With that said, what are some of my expectations for the Pixel Buds 3? And spoiler, I certainly hope that they keep the case really close to what they had in the Pixel Buds 2. The case is just so freaking awesome. I still anticipate the Pixel Buds 3 to still be called Pixel Buds 3 and still be earbuds just like that of the Pixel Buds 2 from the previous year. Between what they learned with the original Pixel Buds, where they had the string in between them, and what they've learned with this right here from the Pixel Buds 2, I don't anticipate like a crazy name change like Pixel Buds Pro Ultra, the Fan Edition. I don't think it's going to be anything like that. The second thing that I anticipate with the Pixel Buds 3, they have under no circumstances, no option at all, they must fix the connection issues that were pretty well talked about in the Pixel Buds 2. There is no choice at all. They have to fix those connection issues. This is no longer like a beta product or anything like that. And I'm not saying that the Pixel Buds 1 and 2 were that, but they have 2 generations of information from people wearing things in their ears and whatnot. They cannot have the connection issues that they had in the Pixel Buds 2 and the Pixel Buds 1, or that is kind of like a dead on arrival type situation for me. I just can't get behind that. Now, to be fair, I had very minimal amounts of connection issues with my Pixel Buds 2 compared to some of the others, but that has to be cut in half, if not 90% of the connection issues that other people were having. That's pretty much got to be all the way gone. They still have to have the best voice transcription in the business when it comes to earbuds. That includes making sure that the microphones can be worked from a work from home remote office type situation. Look, we're not going to be getting back into life like it was beforehand by people going into the office and whatnot. People working remote is probably going to be here to stay for a while, if not completely indefinitely. Having really good microphones and really good voice transcription in earbuds is a must-have in my opinion. And the Pixel Buds 2 are really great. I really like that. They can't go backwards. They definitely have to go a little bit forward. Google has some of the best voice AI in the business. Definitely something that they have to bring forward to the Pixel Buds 3. Those microphones have to get even a little bit better because again, life is not going to be the same way. Continuing to invest in the microphones as well as the audio sound is something that can make the Pixel Buds 3 stand out above any of the other earbuds out there in the market. Number 5 or 6 at this point, I'm not really sure, I've lost count, is active noise cancellation and some sort of transparency mode like a la the Apple AirPods Pro. The AirPods Pro are really good at the transparency mode as well as really good noise cancellation, really good for earbuds. Let's not get too twisted here. And the expectation should be that Google does something very close to the same. And you can see that they have been working on some of the AI-driven noise cancellation / transparency mode if you're using your Pixel Buds 2 now. And what I mean is if there's a child crying or a dog barking, the Pixel Buds 2 will actually lower the volume and make a very small chime in your ears to let you know that something is happening in the area that's around you. That works today in the Pixel Buds 2. I'm really looking for them to build upon that same foundation of capability that they have and bring something else out. A active noise cancellation and a full transparency mode like that that's AI driven would be really amazing when it comes to the Pixel Buds 3. I think that they have to have that, and not going and recognizing that active noise cancellation really truly is a way from a future perspective in earbuds of this size they really got to start thinking about that. I think it would be a slam dunk home run as it relates to the Pixel Buds 3 if it were included. I still think they have to have the same case from before, where it's that nice palmable, pocketable size, very fidget-like toy, so the case still has to remain the same. I think the battery life has to get just a little bit better. I still run between 4 and 5 hours just straight off the ones that I have in the Pixel Buds 2. 5 to 7 hours, 6 to 8 hours would be really, really great. 24 hours in the case. I still think you have to have the wireless charging in that case. I wouldn't look for a lot of changes when it comes to that. Personally, I really like the look and the feel and just everything about the case, because the case is really freaking awesome. They now have foam tips that are available to purchase. Big thanks to Stats for sending me the ones that he got me, which are these Comply ones right here specifically. I really, really like them, so the foam tips would be nice. Right out of the box, I think that would be cool. And last, the price. I think they cannot go any higher than $200 for basically everything that I mentioned. The AirPod Pros are $250, I think right now, maybe at the time of this recording, they're about 200 bucks. The regular AirPods, not the Pro edition, are like 150 bucks or something like that. When you're getting into that $175, $180, $190, $200 price point, you had better come correct with a lot of the features that you're offering. I don't think them going above that without getting something completely crazy really is justified. And if you really want people to adopt the Pixel brand and some of the things that you have, you're going to have to stay fairly competitive when it comes to a price perspective. I personally would look at buying these at $159, $169. That would be closer to the no-brainer zone. But you get up there in the $200 and you're like, I don't know, because there's a lot of earbuds out there on the market, sometimes half the price of that $200 price tag, that are pretty darn close to what you could offer. Again, no more than $200, and that's what I expect. With all that being said, what are your expectations for the Pixel Buds 3? Have you ever owned the Pixel Buds? Leave a comment below if you've ever owned them, and if you do, which ones do you have, Gen 1 or Gen 2? What's your favorite thing about them? And if you haven't, also comment below and let me know why you have not bought them or why you wish you would have bought them. So that's it. That's all I have. Thanks for watching, and as always, like, share, subscribe, thumbs up, leave a comment below. See you next time.